Hello, boys and girls. Today we are working on 12.7 in our IntoMath workbook. We are going to continue representing make a 10 to add. This time we're going to use a visual model. So when we're done with this lesson, you will be able to use a visual model to show how to use the make a 10 strategy to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Let's go ahead and get started. If you would like to follow along in your workbook, we are on page 375. 375. Spark your learning. Ava has 48 stickers. Logan gives her 4 stickers. How many stickers does Anna have now? How can you show this problem? So, what we're going to do to start is let's draw Ava's 48 stickers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones to give me a total for 48. Next, we know that Logan gives her 4 more stickers. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers that Logan is going to give Ava. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count on to make a group of 10. So let's go ahead and move these over. I have 9 and 10. And that gives me one whole group of 10. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 groups of 10, and 1, 2 ones to give me a total of 52 stickers. Let's go ahead and save it, and we'll move on. So Ava has 48 stickers. Logan gives her 4 stickers. How many stickers does Ava have now? And we figured out that Ava would have 52 stickers. Turn and talk. What tool did you select to solve this problem? Explain why. I decided to solve this problem. It would be easiest to show my numbers using quick pictures. So I used my sticks or my lines to show my groups of 10, and my circles or dots to show my ones. Next, we'll do page 376, build your understanding. 8 puppies are in the park. 6 puppies join them. How many puppies are in the park now? How can you use a number line to show how to make a 10? What we're going to do is we are going to start at 8. How many would you jump to get to 10? Draw to show your thinking. So on my number line, I went ahead and added my numbers until I get to the number 10. So I have 8, 9, and 10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make jumps on the number line, and we'll count to see how many jumps it takes to get to the number 10. 1, 2. It took 2 jumps to get to the number 10. You started at 8 on a number line and drew to show how you would jump to get to 10. Now use the arrow to see a possible drawing. So in their picture, they decided to just skip over the number 9. but we know that we would have to jump 1, 2 to get to 10. Oops, too far. Letter B. Remember, 8 puppies are in the park. 6 puppies join them. You started at 8 and jumped 2 to get to 10. How can you show jumps to add the rest of the ones? Add to your drawing to show your thinking. So in my picture here, I went ahead and I drew my 6 circles. Like it says in the equation or in the problem here, you started at 8 and jumped 2 to get 10. So I borrowed 2 from this number 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of 2 from my 6. And that leaves me with just 4 circles left, or 4 ones. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump 4 ones to see how many puppies were in the park. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I land on the number 14. Remember, 8 puppies are in the park. 6 puppies join them. You started at 8 and used a number line to show how to make a 10. Then you jump to add the rest of the ones. Now use the arrow to see a possible drawing. So here's our 8, and we added 2. Then we jumped the rest of the way. Instead of using 6, since we added 2 here, we're only going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 to give us 14. Letter C. 8 puppies are in the park. 6 puppies join them. Choose an equation for the problem. So we can use 8 plus 6 equals 14. And that's our equation for the problem. Let's put in our final answer. We figured out that there are 14 puppies in the park now. Let's take a look at page 377, step it out. Mr. Lind sells 57 fruit pops at the fair. Then he sells 9 more. How many fruit pops does Mr. Lind sell? Make a 10 to solve this problem. So, letter A, start at 57 on the number line. First jump 3 to make a 10. Then add the rest. Remember, you need to add 9 all together. So let's go ahead and make our first 3 jumps. We'll do this using red. 1, 2, 3. So to make a 10, I get to the number 60. But I need to add 9 all together. So I already did 3. So let's keep counting until we've added 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since I already added 3, I should have jumped 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 3 plus 6 equals 9. So we land on the number 66. You started at 57 on the number line and jumped 3 to make a 10. Then you added the rest. Now use the arrow to see a possible answer. And there we go. We added our 3 to give us 60 and added 6 to give us a total of 9. Letter B. Remember, Mr. Lind sells 57 fruit pops at the fair and then he sells 9 more. How many fruit pops does Mr. Lind sell? Choose the equation. We started at 57 and we added 9 to give us 66. Next, let's take a look at Check Your Understanding at the bottom of page 377. It says, make a 10 to solve. Write the numbers. There are 18 children at the park. 7 more children join them. How many children are at the park now? So we are going to start at the number 18. To make a 10, we're going to add 2, and that will give us the number 20. From there, we're going to add 5 more because 2 plus 5 equals 7. So if I hop 5 more down the number line, that is going to give me the number 25. Next, they'd like for us to write an equation to go along with this problem. We started at the number 18 and we added 7. And we figured out that 18 plus 7 equals 25. So there are 25 children at the park now. All right, my friends, that is it for our first day of 12.7. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, if you have any questions, please email me or message me on Dojo. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.